I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the HP Victus. This prevents shorting the board. Once unplugged, flip it over and remove the back panel screws, keeping each screw with its hole. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the panel gently to avoid breaking clips. While the panel is off, locate the M.2 slot and SATA bay. Make sure you have the correct SSD form factor. Ground yourself by touching the metal chassis or using a wrist strap before touching components. Now remove the existing drive carefully. For an M.2, loosen the single retention screw and lift the drive out at a shallow angle. This avoids bending the connector. For a 2.5-inch SATA drive, detach the SATA connector, remove mounting screws, and slide the drive out of its caddy. Once removed, inspect the slot and connector for dust or debris and use short bursts of compressed air to clean. Take a quick photo of cable routing if you need reference for reconnection later. Install the new drive by sliding the M.2 into the slot at the same angle and securing it with the retention screw. For a 2.5-inch SSD, mount it in the bracket and reconnect the SATA cable. Refit the bottom panel and power on. Enter BIOS immediately to confirm the drive appears and set boot order if needed. If Windows needs cloning, use your chosen tool now. If the drive is not detected, power down, reseat the drive and connectors, and update BIOS. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.